Rajasthan State Legal Services Authority's unique initiative, eSamadhan, a digital Lok Adalat and digital mediation platform. Under the visionary and sagacious leadership of Justice Suryakant, Honorable Chief Justice of India and Patron-in-Chief of the National Legal Services Authority NALSA, with the enlightened guidance and progressive judicial foresight of Justice Vikram Nath, Honorable Judge of the Supreme Court of India and Executive Chairman NALSA, and under the dynamic and reform-oriented leadership of Justice Sanjeev Prakash Sharma, Honorable Acting Chief Justice and Executive Chairman, Rajasthan State Legal Services Authority, under the august aegis of the Rajasthan High Court, this landmark digital initiative in dispute resolution is being launched to strengthen accessible, efficient, and citizen-centric justice across the state. The present initiative is guided by rising demand for dispute resolution, addressing for broader accessibility, strengthening procedural efficiency. It's time to match with digital era to deliver justice at doorstep. Introducing India's first end-to-end digital mediation platform developed by Rajasthan State Legal Service Authority. Users can sign up and file cases from anywhere. Click on Initiate Mediation. Fill up applicant details like name, contact information, address, and then click Submit. Now fill identical credentials for respondent, and then click Submit followed by Save and Next. Select the dispute type, then Save and Next. Fill in the mediation referral order details. Attach the supporting documents, then click Save and Next. Now, upload the mediation referral order document and click Save and Next. Now finally, preview all the details and the attachments followed by Submit. Customize dashboard for various stakeholders such as NBFC, banks, insurance companies, etc. Send automated notifications to disputing parties via email and SMS. Conduct secure online mediation sessions directly on the platform. During the sessions, you can access case records and make submissions in multiple languages with the AI-enabled Smart Document feature. Get instant summaries and conduct Q&A anytime, making every case easier to navigate. Draft settlement agreements by dictating in any vernacular language. And whenever you need guidance, the Help Center offers clear, step-by-step video guides for every feature. Today, we take the next leap forward with the digital mediation platform. Rajasthan State Legal Service Authority has also adopted the digital Lok Adalat platform. This next generation end-to-end system is transforming the traditional judicial ecosystem in Rajasthan. Designed for massive scale, bulk case imports, notice generation, award generation, bench roster, pre-litigation, data analytics. Accessible to everyone, everywhere. A digital justice ecosystem designed for early access, trust, and justice. From mediation to digital Lok Adalats, connecting people to accessible justice. The Rajasthan State Legal Services Authority invites all stakeholders, members of the bar, litigants, institutions, and citizens to actively promote and adopt this platform for the expeditious resolution of long-pending disputes. By embracing this initiative and moving in stride with the advancing pace of information technology, we can collectively build a more responsive, accessible, and future-ready justice delivery system.